Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your data education with edX step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the edX website at www.edx.org. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type data science or data education into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the list of available courses tailored to your interests. Filter the results based on your level of expertise, duration, or type of course using the provided options. Select a course that aligns with your educational goals. Read the course description carefully to understand its objectives, prerequisites, and format. Check the instructor's credentials to ensure their expertise in the field. Look at the course reviews and ratings from past students for additional insight. When ready, click on the Enroll button to register for the course. If it's your first time on edX, you will need to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email and a secure password. After creating your account, continue with the enrollment process for your selected course. Choose whether you want to take the course for free or opt for a verified track for a fee. If you select the verified track, you will need to provide payment information to complete the enrollment. Once enrolled, navigate to your dashboard to see your course list. Click on the course title to access the course materials. Familiarize yourself with the course layout and schedule. Start engaging with the course content by watching the introductory videos. Participate in discussions and forums to enhance your learning experience. Make a study schedule to keep up with weekly assignments and quizzes. Utilize additional resources provided within the course for deeper understanding. Reach out to instructors or peers if you have questions or need clarification. Complete all assignments and assessments before the deadlines to ensure thorough learning. Upon finishing the course, download your certificate of completion. Use your new knowledge and skills to enhance your career opportunities in data education. Stay motivated by continuously exploring advanced courses and topics on edX. Consider sharing your progress and achievements with your professional network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.